good morning, and what a good
Good
morning it
morning.
is. So, we'll get straight into it. ES paid yesterday, or your favorite, the S&P. So,
Woo!
yeah, we passed two challenges yesterday. There's challenge 67, which we passed, and here's the second. So, yeah, it was great. Two good trades yesterday. So, traded your breakout strategy. So, I took a nice short position on the first
Very
account.
nice.
And I caught
Yes.
the second breakout then on the long position. So yeah, really happy with that. Went well, and thank you, S&P.
Yeah,
So been
congratulations, Andrew. Great work. Great work
yeah,
there.
so be looking at the breakout again today, but at the moment this morning, so we've had some good trades overnight, which obviously I haven't taken or end of the session yesterday, so we can see. Yeah, I'm on the wrong time. It's always the same. I was wondering why those time's not right. Where's London? Yeah, so I got them on the US time, got them on your time, so let's get this changed. That's better. Yeah, so yeah, on the open yesterday, there's a nice long position, and around just after midnight, there was two nice short positions on the S&P. So for myself,
Mhm.
we still got a downward trend from M5 to M30, so not really looking to take a trade this morning unless we get a clear break and we get some direction in the charts. So how's things, Mandela? What's been happening?
Yeah. Well, you've been very busy, and congratulations again for those trades that you did make. Um, I have been watching markets swing around as Trump makes various announcements and signs various orders, and it's just been a brand new world, I think. And yeah, just trying to figure out what Trump is trying to do is not an easy task.
Yeah, we should get some stability today. I know Canada bent the knee overnight, right? They've
Yes,
yeah.
yes,
So
they
yeah, we should.
did, but I'm reading a headline now, Andrew. It's saying that China tariffs actually have taken effect. So I thought for some reason I thought that those weren't going to take effect until Trump spoke to
Yeah.
President Xi. But it looks like, based on these headlines here, China trade tariff take effect. So it just seems like everything's all over the place, really. Looks like it's
Yeah.
a 10% trade tariff
I
against
don't think
China.
I don't think China will bend the knee as quickly as the other
No,
countries. So
I
yeah,
don't
it's
think
one to
so.
watch.
Yeah, I think China looks like they're going to retaliate. Um, but yeah, it looks like they're going to retaliate on U.S. goods. So not any knee bending, as you alluded to. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, it would be interesting. It would be interesting.
yeah, definitely. And China's got in their own way. They got a strong economy. They produce
Yeah,
everything in house. So yes, definitely be
yeah,
interesting. So just have a look at the news.
yeah. Let's have a quick look at the news here. So, for today, thank you for that graphic. Very nice graphic you got there.
Yeah, thanks for
So we had the Japanese auction about 3 hours ago for the 10-year their 10-year bond. And then looking forward now, let's just look at the big items. So Jolt's job openings is how many new jobs were created in December in the US. And then we have two members of the FOMC speaking this afternoon. And that's pretty much all we have for today, Andrew, in terms of news.
Yeah, no,
Yeah, it's a bit
but I
late.
in your bump for sure. So I'm looking to catch the S&P on that breakout. And let's have a quick look at the chart. So it's probably gonna be a short show this morning. There's nothing
Yeah,
happening with myself for trading. Let me have a quick look again. No, I can't see
sure.
anything I want to jump into. Let's have a look at Bitcoin.
Okay. Bitcoin yesterday, well, over the weekend, if we zoom out just a bit, so this was this nasty drop that we got as they were talking about tariffs. And then yesterday morning, we started to get a nice little bounce into yesterday. So, yeah, we're still not that far away from the all-time highs, up here just around 109,000. And this may be considered a lower low. Let's see if we zoom out a bit.
Yeah.
So yeah, we hit that. Yeah. Since here, it's we've managed to stay kind of around this area until last night. And last night was pretty nasty if you were trading crypto. But yeah, we've kind of come back a little bit. So interesting to see how we react today. Definitely not in crash territory at the moment for Bitcoin.
Not yet. Yeah, definitely. You can see the higher lows as well forming in the market. So quite reliant on that 98k to form some strong support. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on Bitcoin. Probably review that tomorrow.
Yeah, that's a big one. And then, do you want to have a look at XRP?
Yeah, why not?
So it had a bit of a crash. So we actually went right back into the channel that we've been watching for the last few weeks. I didn't even know this happened, actually, Andrew. That's actually
so
quite nice.
Some like vertical support there. Yeah, around that 165 mark. And yeah,
almost to the T.
Yeah, it's responded quite nicely, actually. Yeah, I think that 259 is going to be key. And we just float in below that. So yeah, let's see if we can break above that level.
Yeah, I think that's possible.
There. But, yeah, thanks XRP. You've added another 5 years onto my working life. No, never mind.
Well, I'm hoping that there was some really savvy buyers who bought the dip down here and bought the dip down here. Maybe we get another leg higher after that. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Keep an eye on it. And let's have a look at. It's up to you. We should have a quick look at the S&P. What are you trading the S&P?
Yeah, let's do S&P. Yeah, so S&P. This is what I was looking at yesterday. If we zoom in a bit and make it look a little nicer here. So yeah, S&P yesterday was at the open. There was a lot of fears of tariffs, so we got a big gap lower in S&P. So we went just kind of from. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, and then. So we went from here. This would have been Friday's close, and then the uncertainty and the talk of tariffs against Mexico and China. Mexico and Canada dropped us here, and then we got a nice move lower. Andrew, I think you caught that one.
Yeah, that's the first one I caught. And then I caught the breakout to the upside then.
Yeah, so this was a nice one here. We caught this one. I caught this one as well, kind of from somewhere here. And I got a little skittish once we started to pull back a little bit, but that was enough for me. But yeah, it was a nice little shoot up through the opening range, and we kind of stayed above it for most of the day. Yeah, I thought it was a pretty good day for trading, considering that we dropped from way up here 60.40 down to 59.40. At the open. So let's have a quick look at the overnight prices. Overnight, it's dropped a little lower on, I believe it's on this China news. So this is where we would have closed yesterday, right here. We got a little bump higher from the Canada news, I believe. And then since then we've moved a bit lower on that China uncertainty. I do think that Trump likes to have calls with his fellow leaders. Yes. And then he likes to come out of the calls with this, he's such a deal maker. He's made this deal for America. I'm seeing a pattern here, Andrew.
Yeah, and I think people will wake up to it as well. But he is a businessman, end of the day, doing deals, this sort of thing. It's right up his street, I can imagine. So, but if it's good for the dollar, I suppose he's going to do it, right? So,
I think so.
I think Europe are on the list next, so it's going to be interesting.
Yes, we have to see. It's almost like he's going up boxing, different boxing opponents. He's taking one by one.
he's taking them out in the first round at the moment. I think China might take him a couple of rounds. But,
I think so. It's going to be a bit of back and forth on that for sure.
Oh, definitely. Yeah.
So yeah, that's it. That's it from the charts, I think. Unless there was gold. You want to have a look at gold, maybe?
Yeah, we can.
Or anything else?
Yeah,
Just a quick look. Yeah, here we go. It's nothing too major. We did get an all-time high. I haven't actually put this in properly. This has just been kind of rough. But we hit an all-time high yesterday after that tariff news, and it's starting to come down a bit. So interesting to see if we can get above this all-time high that we first hit on Friday. If not, we could be heading a bit lower here first, Andrew.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, and I'll keep an eye on that Asian range. I might trade out this morning.
Yeah,
we'll
that's a good one.
that. So I'm just gonna load gold up. So yeah, but for myself, potentially gonna look again short position on gold and looking to trade the ES or S&P around 230, 245. Yes. And that's it for myself, really. Just great day yesterday. S&P paid. So passed another 2 challenges and on to the live accounts.
Yes, congratulations again. Well done on the live accounts. Those are very, very impressive. Very, very impressive. So I think it's also a testament to the hard work and what can result from sticking to this business.
I think it's determination more than anything else, right? It's you keep going, but plenty of knockbacks, but you just keep trying, you keep going, and you'll what's the word? You only fail if you quit, right?
That's it. Yeah. That's it. And a lot of people don't either accept that or they don't realize that. But that's the truth. Yeah.
Right. Well, thanks for this morning. I know it's an early shout, and we didn't do any trading, but it was a good review of the markets, news, and the charts. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Likewise. Thank you. Thank you, Andrew.
Today's show is sponsored by thefivers.com, better funding for traders. Get qualified by a private equity fund and manage up to $4 million. So you can choose your funding journey. So you can start with the 1-step program, which is hyper growth, 2-step program, which is the high stakes, and the low cost program, which is the boot camp. So pop over to thefivers.com. Please use our affiliate link for 5% off. And it's a great way to start your prop firm journey. Next to ourselves, it's TradeZella.com, the only tool you need to become profitable. So you've got powerful and automated trade journaling. You can analyze your trading stats. You can gain some key insights. You can leverage up to 50 plus reports to monitor your progress. You can ask yourself a question after a week or two: do you have a profitable strategy? So you can go through your win rates, your profit factor, how many trades you actually missed. And you can even take it one step further. You can backtest, replay to help you improve. So pop over to TradeZella.com. Use the discount code SFX25 for a 10% discount. And finally, then it's stxforex.com, the all-in-one complete trading package. Perfectly crafted trading program that meets all the needs of traders. So from Forex, futures, options, and more, STS Forex provides mentorship and trading systems to suit every trader. So we got the all-in-one package there with this morning's sponsor. So thanks very much to thefivers.com, TradeZella.com, and STSForex.com.